Hmm. Is the stream running? Anyways, so this is my first time trying the YouTube live stream. I will have to do some research on how all of this works. Anyways, so in order to test it all out, I thought why not teach a little bit about functions in Python specifically. And I was reading the book Python Crash Course, and in this stream, this very small testing stream, I thought why not talk about arguments, passing the arguments into our function. Now let's go to our editor and let's start working. So I have an example code. It's called describe pet. It has two parameters, animal type and pet name, and it simply makes two print statements. I have an animal, I can remove the \n. I have animal type and my favorite, and another print that says my animal type's name is pet name. So we have an example of calling the function. We can say hamster, and then we put the second argument Harry. So I have a hamster and hamster's name is Harry. Now PyCharm actually helps me, and it is telling me that this one is animal type. The first argument is animal type. The second argument is pet name. In your case, this might not look like this. I don't know how to turn it off. Maybe I could from settings. But let's run the code and see what we get. I have a hamster. My hamster's name is Harry. Fair enough. And this is what we call positional argument. Positional arguments. So why do we call them positional? Because here the position matters. The first argument is animal type and the second argument is pet name. So animal type is the first one, pet name is the second one, and if we switch them around, Python will not care. It will pass different arguments. So I can say my first argument is Harry and my second argument is hamster. Now it will say I have a Harry and its name is hamster. Let's see, Python pets.py. I have a hamster, my hamster name is Harry. I have a Harry, my Harry's name is hamster. So you need to be careful when you are calling your function that you provide your arguments in their correct position. That's why we call them positional. You use the position to give the argument, positional arguments. Now there is another type of argument. We use the word keyword argument. Now when we use keyword argument, we actually specify what each argument is, like this: animal type is hamster and pet name is Harry. So these ones will need to match. You are saying, hey, set animal type to hamster and pet name to Harry. And now you actually have the choice to move them around. Now you can say pet name is Harry, and then you can say animal type is hamster. Now this will work because now you are specifically, or I should say explicitly, telling Python that animal type is hamster, pet name is Harry. Pet name is Harry, animal type is hamster. Now I can run the code python pets.py, and I got the same output. And one thing you need to know about keyword argument is that keyword arguments cannot appear before positional arguments. So if you try to do it like this, it will not work. Because now Python doesn't know the ordering, right? Because you can move keyword arguments around, you cannot put them first. However, you can put them at the end. So you can say the first argument is hamster, and then you can put a keyword argument later. So this will work the same way.